Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily clean your RAZER BlackWidow V3 Mini keyboard. So I recommend you to buy the cleaning kit. It looks exactly like that. I bought it on Temu for around $5. It's really a useful tool, and within this tool we get the keycap puller. And to clean this clipboard, we can pull the keycaps using our finger or using the keycap puller. The keycap puller is the safest way, I'd say, because you really know that you are pulling these keycaps, and you have to pull all these keycaps, and then with your cleaning tool you just have to do with this, as you can see, brush all this between keys, and it will be all. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.